Welcome to Greensburg, Pennsylvania, everyone, and welcome back to the Urbex channel. We're here to check out Shop and Save, a grocery store that I believe is mostly in the South, but they're disappearing really fast, so I figured I'd, kind of take a look. I passed by this one in Greensburg, and I was like, well, I've heard of them before, but never checked one out, so here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Shop and Save. Ooh, that's cool how it's reflecting off the ground like that in all of the icy water. That's really awesome. I think I'll take a picture of that. Hey everyone, welcome to the inside of a Stop and Shop. Did I say that right? Yes, I think I did. Produce department. Of course, I screwed it up and I got everything wrong. It is Shop and Save. Did I say Stop and Shop? I don't know. It's been a long day of driving through the mountains in the snow, trying not to fall off a cliff and die. They have really nice looking produce. I really like the thing on the wall, how it says, Shop and Save, always fresh. And what is going on with my voice right now? Oh, Lordy. Here we have the meat department. And Parker standing right there. What is that? That looks absolutely disgusting. Is that coffee, my boy? Oh, Lordy. Coffee is disgusting. Didn't your parents teach you anything? I've never seen a grocery store selling fresh tea like this. It's like to go. That's kind of different. And there is a look at your checkouts. They look lovely. Well, everyone, welcome back to another episode of Urbex. This one's kind of a weird one because I was driving by and I noticed this abandoned drive-through restaurant kind of thing. It looks like a fast food place. Almost kind of resembles a Checkers or a Rally's, but then there's this bird on the side of it, and I'm like, that's not Checkers or Rally's. So was it a Checkers or a Rally's, and then it became something else? If you're from the Lima, Ohio area, leave a comment down below and let me know if you know what this place used to be, but we're going to check it out on today's episode of Urbex. So yeah, like I already said, I don't know what this was, so if you know what it was, let me know. I like how they have the seating outside because I don't think they have a dining room inside, but look at that big chicken. I wonder if this was, for fried chicken. Probably was, My guess is this was a fried chicken restaurant like KFC. Well, there you can see there's a look inside. Ew, it's definitely deplorable. That's nasty. Here's what would have been the sign that faces the main road. Oh, you can make out what it was. The Cockadoodlers, or Cockadoodles? I think it's Cockadoodles, rotisserie chicken. And then if we spin around, here is the front of the restaurant. I got to get a wide angle of this. So there's your sign, and this is the front of the place. I love the look of this. This is really cool looking. If it had been kept up, but it's available for sale if you would like it. Let's see if we can see inside again. Nope. Well, yeah. I'm going to get you a better view. Well, the windows are very dirty, so I'm doing my best, but yeah, there was no inside dining on this place. Just a kitchen and a drive-through. So this would have been the pickup window. And there's your pickup window. I wonder if... Yeah, Parker, no, it's it's definitely locked. Yeah, unfortunately, this one, all we can do is just look from the outside, but, we're preserving the history and the memories many people will have had coming to this place. I don't know if it was a good place or not. Some places close because they're terrible and they should close, and others close because of other reasons, and yet they were a really good restaurant. This looks like it was. Yes, it was. This place had a dual drive-through. See, there was a drive-through there, and then on the other side, there's another drive-through. So they're both pickup windows, so you could have two lines of traffic going through. That's kind of cool. This is the speaker box, or part of the speaker box. There's no menu left, which is sad. I would have loved to see a menu, but... And then there's dumpsters back there, and that's it. Well, that's going to do it for a look at this chicken restaurant, fast food restaurant here in Lima, Ohio. Thanks for joining me here as we took a look at it. And, you know, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.